I begin the class. In the last class, during this phase of time, which remains with them as a permanent characteristics. This is very important for us. That's why we have to give them the best healthy development so that they can have a very healthy adulthood. So we have also talked about this adolescent education. It's a very productive stage, and we need to provide opportunity for developing good habits, rational attitudes, and interest, because this is the stage where they develop mature sense of three identities. Now this is very important, and that's why we have to create a positive communication, develop a certain things that they develop a positive communication, and get opportunity to understand value, they clarify the value, modify the value, they seek attendance and develop assertion, and they want to get rid of this thing. Now adolescent education, the concept have come from this concept. I think this also we have done it. So this is a preventive, positive, constructive and proactive approach to ensure mental health. This is a very important stage, and because of that, and these are our future citizens, we have to take utmost care of them. So whatever the problems come in their, they confront in developing their identities, developing value systems and the future goals, we need to provide authentic knowledge. We have to create such an environment that they develop a rational attitude responsible for the things, and they can address to their issues and problems. So we have to empower them. So these are some of the very important things for which. Now how will we provide them? We can develop awareness building programs. Awareness about what your age expects at this age. What you want to say. Even we can address to the parents and teachers that the students coming to you at this particular age, they are highly sensitive and they are undergoing lots of changes, and so kindly help them. So we can address to that point of thing. Identify plug-in points from the curriculum. Now this is very important for us as a teacher. See, now next semester you will go for school-based teaching. Thereafter you will become a regular teacher in the schools. So basic thing a teacher takes with her or him is content. There is a prescribed syllabus with us, and when we go in the class we carry that prescribed syllabus with us. That's our tool to reach out to our adolescents. So what we need to do it, we have to identify from each chapter the points which the chapter wants to teach, either in science, maths, languages, social sciences, any subject. And we have to see that how that can be linked to their adolescent development. Just one example I can give you. Any students who are from science, who is from science or chemistry, may try to understand this and try to answer me later. See, you are in science in periodic table around 9th class, you have got this as a content, right? So in periodic table, what it describes, or why do we study periodic table? Anyone from science method may try to answer this. Anyone? Science method student?
Ma'am, Mendeleev's table basically consists of all the elements that like lithium, hydrogen, all.
Yes.
So they are that there is different categories of metals.
Ma'am,
So
to
how are they
understand their
arranged?
properties.
Yeah, properties.
Yes, ma'am.
So, can you link this with our life situation? Yes,
Yes,
try.
ma'am. In daily life, we can understand that whatever we are respiring, we are taking certain gases
Okay.
during the respiration process. Similarly, while cooking food or whatever is around us, in short, is metals in one
Okay.
or the other form.
Okay. For a minute, leave out your science teacher soul. You are thinking as a science teacher. Now, just
Yes.
think as a teacher, and I want to make my student learn from this content something related to life. Okay, one hint I'll give you. Later on, you can find out few more points. Like you have very rightly said that
Carbon dioxide and oxygen.
sorry, just
Are
a
you
minute.
talking? Yes, ma'am.
The periodical table represents the elements so far found from the universe. Correct? So
Yes,
only
ma'am.
I
Yes, ma'am.
take this one line and I will like to say that we all human beings who are in this earth, they are much like this identify elements. Then they are being structured, they are being grouped in the families. These are all alkalines, these are all acids as per their properties, atomic weight and other things, correct? So we also follow the colonies. We also follow the families. We also, still being in the colonies or families, still individual identity of each elements is there. So similarly, we also have our independent identity. Are you able to think in this way?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Huh. So now just tell me one or two more in this line if you can think of, or anyone, any other person also if they can. Yes. In the similar line, tell me something about periodic table. What I can make my student learn here, some life philosophy. Why are you so silent? Not able to think or you don't want to answer? Yes, Shukla Kruti, kindly say.
Ma'am, so like we can say that like as every element has got its own characteristics and as it is grouped, so individuals also like they follow certain patterns, certain characteristics. And ma'am, like I'm still trying to think, ma'am,
No, no, it's
trying to
good.
relate it is not
See, in a
answer.
family, we may have a family characteristics, but within family also, we all have our individual identity, and we still remain within that identity. So we are not losing our identity, even we are in a group. Now, this is a big learning about any individual. Okay, yes, someone else has
Yes,
also raised your hand. Kindly speak out. Once it is 68 or something where the hand is raised. Kindly say. Okay. Now this is the way you can think. Now I
Hello.
take one more example because see, when you want a particular solution, all the acids you cannot use. For that purpose, when you want to make water, you have to take 2 part of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen. Now, unless and until this combination is made, you cannot get your solution. Similarly, we all have a different kind of temperamental natures and other things. So it is not possible, or rather we should not think that we get along well with all. But yes, we do hold the family identity also, and this is the way we can move. Just simply tell me if anyone is from. So today I'll pause the question. To next class you can answer. Like in mathematics, we learn identity. In mathematics, we learn equations. In chemistry also we learn equations. How does it signifies, or how can we make use of this and make our students learn about life philosophy? Language students, when you are taking up where it is very direct also, where certain things are there, directly some messages are given in your poem or the prose. But even when it is there, like certain kind of idioms or some words, paraphrasing words are there, they are usually tend to give lots of things. जैसा करोगे वैसा बोओगे, जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. And that way you just try to see it, how it links all the different subjects also. Like I was talking about equations. What is equation? Anyone? Now equation, I think it's there in mathematics, it's there in science, chemistry, or any other subjects. Equations are there. Even in the language and other things, equations are not there, but we do talk about equations, samikaran. Now, what does this samikaran describes us? Anyone who wish to answer?
Ma'am, balance
Yeah,
between the right hand, left hand side as properties and the right hand side properties. मतलब chemistry में जैसे reactants and reactants जो है balance करके वो product बनता है, so उस हिसाब से there is
why
a.
do we, very right, very right. Why do we need to balance our equation? It is always been in the chemistry, we said, no, we need to balance the equation. And many a time in exams also students are being asked how to balance the equation. Why do we balance the equation? Anyone?
Ma'am, can we say that for getting perfect product?
Okay, but why do we want a perfect order? There is a science behind it. Anyone?
Ma'am, law of conservation.
Yes. What is that called? Very right.
Yes.
Law of conservation.
What, describe it, because for rest of the students, what is this law of conservation?
Ma'am, need not. Uh,
It is related to energy, like how much is
So
spent.
very right, very right. It is related to energy. The energy never get exhausted. It changes its shape. It changes
from
its form.
one form to another. Yes.
Yes, but it remains there. So if X energy is at one side, the X energy has to be there on the other side, right? And
Yes,
in
ma'am.
some equations, when you find it has become hydrogen or in the form of gaseous, then you show the arrow upward. That yes, some this gas has been merged to air. Okay, fine. So, जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. If we take in Hindi or Gujarati or any other thing, which exactly talk to you about balancing equation. That if you want, a very simple example now I am giving you. If you want a sweet lime water, you need to put sugar before, then only you will get it at the end as a solution. Because if that portion is not put at the time of process, will you get the product? No. So if you want good marks today, you good marks future, so you have to invest your energy today, because it is an equation also. जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. If you are studying well, you are getting. And we can see it. And this is not the only thing, it's only very popular thing which I have talked to you, but in mathematics we have got identity, we have got a number of others content, for whether you take economics or any subject for that matter, for everything you can have it. So we can have lots of uh, plug-in point from the curriculum, and when we are teaching them, first we will teach the content in its own spirit of subject matter, but last 2 minutes we can spend how it is linked with students life, current development. This linking up always helps student to see the connection between what he learns and usefulness of that for the life. Because many a time they say this is a subject which for exam only I need to learn. But no, it is not only for exams, but you are learning it for your life. Many things you are getting out of those learnings. And that is why it's very important that we teach, we learn from that thing. So I think if anyone has syllabus with you, we can discuss this also. So I can give you as a homework. Next time, those who have got books, now even online the books are available. So whichever the method you have selected, select one lesson and just try to see how you are able to relate. So next class when we take it, first we'll discuss this. Otherwise, in offline class, we have this activity in classroom also, but on today we may not be able to do it. So this is your homework and you will try to see this thing, and we'll get back to this in the next class. Then we have got life skill education. Now, how many of anyone of you have studied life skill education in your school time or in your this university or somewhere? Have you learned about this? Okay, no problem. We will try to see how this life skills education helps us. And for life skills, we will take it a very different class altogether, and we will learn it thoroughly. What life skills are, what are these 10 life core skills, why we need to learn it. Here, for specifically adolescent, we are learning, but life skill is meant for all age, even your age, my age, young children are there or old people are there. For everyone, we can have life skill education. So next class, I'll take about the life skill education. Then there are different teaching methods we can have it, and that can add to the understanding of their development. One is value clarification. As we have already said that they are developing their personal value system, and that's why it is very important that at this point of time they do get some authentic understanding about preaching and practicing values, how value ideally, how value practically, and how value they interpret. All the clarity they need to have it. So this activities we can give it, and it can be in different forms, like we can give situations, we can give them come out with hypothetical cases, or when they are doing in actual that performance we can show. Then we can adapt inquiry methods, we can have interactive methods, we can have lots of students activities related to it, we can give counseling if it is required, increasing use of audio, video and other print media, whichever is available we can help for. And we can have number of co-curricular activities. See, co-curricular activities have always remained in school curriculum. Even this time we are offline, otherwise if you are doing your B.Ed offline, even you are involved with co-curricular activities. So we have lots of co-curricular activities which we can do it. question box, one of the activities. Question box. See, question box is an activity. Yes, Gulzar Sheikh. Do you want to say something or mute your mic? Gulzar. Thank you. Question box activity where students are asked to put any question comes in your mind, comes in their mind about their studies, about their vocation, future vocation, or personal adjustment issues. They can, without their identification, just drop a chit in which they have made specifically. It is periodically opened by the teachers. It is classified as a different kind of things. Something as a teacher, she goes and discuss it. Sometimes it is very technical or something they want. They can invite expert to answer those questions. In a way, there is a efforts made to see that the student get authentic information about the problem what they have stated. We can have group discussion, value clarification, role playing, case studies, debates. See, debate is very natural, normal activity in co-curricular activities. But it is not that only in once in a year we can have a debate competition. And even the competition we have or debate we have, we debate usually have two and we have for and against kind of a thing. So in this way we can have certain kind of for and against viewpoint. So here we will select a topic on which they can have the discussion, and that kind of topic we can have select here, and we can very well have the debate on this. Here the student get an opportunity to clearly voice out why they are for or against. So here they are getting a chance that someone is listening to their thing. Number two, they are good in communication, so even they can put their ideas across using the power of language. So, and next very important, abstract thinking, they are able to apply. So good comprehension of the concept and their for and against view. So lots of hidden things, curriculum which we have. So here one line I'll say, we are always having a curriculum. Somewhere I think you must have started learning about. And the curriculum has, one is prescribed form, which comes in the form of a textbook, and one is hidden curriculum. That curriculum which is not prescribed, but while we are taking a prescribed curriculum in the classrooms, if we take care of, like in adolescent case, they are developing and we take care of them, then it is a hidden curriculum. So we do take care of this kind of activities and make them learn, may allow them to work, allow them for developing the leadership quality, and many concepts are there. Painting, posture making, essay writing, street plays, these are all common. Only the subject matter which we have it for this needs to be education, adolescent education, or something related to their daily life. Quiz, then adolescent education corner we can have in school, which can be in library or somewhere else, where the authentic journals, pamphlets, books related to their growing ups are there, and as and when students wish to understand their own self, they can go and sit in. If we don't want to make conscious that in library only one corner could be the adolescent education corner. Different cultural activities, because we have seen that at this age they are appreciating the culture, the art, the music, different people, different food habits, many things they enjoy. And that's why we have cultural activities, exhibitions related to awareness programs, if it is AIDS, or today when we say about the viruses, and how you need to take care of your health. Then population day celebration, because one of the aspects we have seen that population is a problem, whether it is over or under population. So we can celebrate those days and make people aware about the fact. Later on, it is their own decisions what they want to have it. Then we can have extramural lectures on gender, equity, adolescence development, whereby they get an opportunity to clarify the aspect if it is making them little confused about. So that also we can help them. Now, as a parent and teacher, we need to take care of this fragile group. This group is very, very fragile, and we have to take utmost care of this group. So what are the things which we can do it? First, very first thing, that we have to avoid being authoritarian. ये ऐसे ही करो, ऐसे ही करना है, तो इस टाइप का ऑथोरिटेरियन बिहेवियर को मत करो. देखो, आप खुद भी जानते होंगे, आपको कोई अगर कहता है ये काम करो, एक आदेश देता है और एक आपको कन्विंस करके बोलता है, तो यू विल लाइक कन्विंसिंग एंड यू विल नॉट लाइक द वन हु इज authoritarian, right? So in this way you can always help a person for that. So avoid authoritarian, otherwise they'll become very, very rigid, rebel. Be approachable, means whenever they need you, be available for them. Have a rapport between you and the student, parents and the child, so that anytime when they need you, they can without hesitation come to you and discuss. Assess the development level of the child. See, physical age growing up every year, and it is been understood that parallel their age, social, emotional, intellectual are also going on. This is our hypothesis, and it is a natural process also. But in some cases, it can be under development, or some case fast. So delayed or the fast development can also be there. And that's why we need to assess the developmental level of the child. When we find the gap is much higher.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt. Ma'am, some students have written because of network issue वो disconnect हो चुके हैं, तो अभी वो lobby में wait कर रहे हैं. Network issue की वजह से वो बाहर निकल गए, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं.
But here nobody is there in lobby. देखो, मैं ऐसा participant के उसमें जाती हूँ ना, तो there is nobody. अभी मैंने 5-7 को तो अंदर रखा, हो सकता है वही लोग होंगे. ठीक है,
शायद हो सकता है. हाँ, thank you ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we need to assess the level, then avoid over involvement and increase level of independence. उनकी छोटी छोटी बात में इन्वॉल्व होना जरूरी नहीं है. We can always help the student to see that their independence is respected, क्योंकि अभी इस एज में उनको स्वतंत्र भी बनना है, ये भी उनका नीड है. So we allow them to become independent. We develop trust and establish confidence. विश्वास का एक ऐसा रिश्ता बनाए कि जहां हम एक दूसरे को समझ सकते हैं, कह सकते हैं, एक दूसरे के बीच में कोई रुकावट नहीं है. And we have a development of confidence. Help in facilitating individualization. उनको अपनी पहचान बनाने के जो रास्ता उसने चुना है, उस रास्ते पर जाने के लिए हम मदद कर सकते हैं. Then we have clarification of confidentiality. Now this is very important thing, that many a time it so happen students are not sharing because there is always a issue of देख, अगर मैंने इससे बात कर ली, वो किसी से बोल देगा तो उसको एक शक होता है. So here clarification on confidentiality means suppose anything you talk to me as a teacher, it becomes my responsibility that whatever the information you have shared, I don't disclose it with anyone. And I help an individual with full empathy. Now this is confidentiality, which we need to clarify with them. Provide various curricular and co-curricular activities related to the experiences and genuine responsibility. Because here they are developing lots of problems with physical, hormonal changes, 3 identities getting developed, value system is also getting developed, thinking of future. So lots of things they are undergoing. So we need to help them and provide the experience related to what they are going through, so that in that process they will get into very smoothly. Accept them as the most significant and sensitive special human beings of the society. Now this is very important, that the example what I was trying to talk about, that when we are giving them experiences, we are helping them to become a significant human being, and we treat them very sensitively. Provide sports, games. See, these are all helping them to develop sportsman spirit, and they are helping them to accept others with their own potentials and competences. Because as you have competencies, as you have potentialities, others do have. So we have to accept them as they are. And if we accept, people will also accept us as we are. We have to
Ma'am,
plan very busy and hard schedule for routine, help them to use their
hello,
leisure
ma'am.
time wisely, balancing the activities that yield satisfaction to individuals and also useful to the society. See here, sometime I think some of you have asked the question कि वो अभी पढ़ाई काम नहीं कर रहा है, बाकी सब काम कर रहा है. So we may have to help them that how you can use your leisure time, which will boost your balance activity, in the sense even study habits and other things. So that also we can help them to. Now the next one line is very important. Instead of talking too much to them, उनके ऊपर मत बोलो, at them, about them, but it is better we talk with them. तो ये जो शब्द है टू, एट, अबाउट, उसको काटना है और हमें टॉक विथ, मतलब उनके साथ बात करो, उनको इंडिविजुअल समझो, उनके विचारों को स्वीकार करो. वी एक्सेप्ट देम एज दे आर and we allow them, we have a faith that they have a rational understanding, honesty to describe themselves. So provide them, and this is the way you can talk with them. So every experience of life is so significant, and this is very critical. So nurturing their personalities, we need to weight all the experience of education at every level as a very significant. Prevention is always better than cure. A stitch in time saves nine. This is a simple English proverb. Now you can help this to our children in making them do the things at the right time. If the time is lost, then any time you give as many stitches you want to, you will not get it. Understanding the students empathetically, dealing with them may go a long way in preventing student unrest and rebel, which is very important. And that's why the last part of today's presentations, next class we'll do the life skills. The quality what is essential to handle this adolescence. You, first of all, you need to be guidance minded person. And that's why unconditioned, genuine concern, respect, trust, and positive regards for self and others. Anyone recalls this and this I have talked to you earlier when I was defining one word of 4-letter. Unconditioned, genuine concern for self and others. Anyone? Erikson theory we were talking about. which resolves in life as. नहीं याद है? किसी को याद नहीं है? तो ये भी आपका होमवर्क लिख लीजिए, मुझे कल नेक्स्ट क्लास में वेडनेसडे बताना ये किसकी डेफिनेशन है। 4 लेटर वर्ड है आपके क्यू के लिए। एरिक्सन की थ्योरी देखना, इन विच रिजॉल्व इन लाइफ एज जो दिए हुए हैं ना, पहले होप है, विल है, पर्पस है, कॉम्पिटेंसीज है, वहां पे एक वर्ड आता है जिसकी ये डेफिनेशन है। नेक्स्ट, सॉरी, ये someone was
It's care, ma'am.
care. No. कोई बात नहीं, आप सोच लेना, अच्छा हुआ you have gone to that level. Then unconditional
Love.
support and warmth. Yes, anyone speaking?
Yes, ma'am. Is it the word love?
Yes, very rightly. हाँ, अच्छे से find out कर लिया आपने. Yes, it's a definition. That time also I have given you this definition of love. So one of the quality teachers need to have is unconditional love. For teacher, if you don't love your student, if you don't love teaching, if you don't love the other people, you cannot be a teacher. And that's why that component has to be there in you, that unconditionally सबको स्वीकार करो, खुद को भी स्वीकार करो. If you have not accepted yourself, you will keep crying, मैं तो टीचर नहीं बनना था, अभी आ गए, ये हुआ. Then you cannot play your role in the best way. So unconditional love is the first quality. Unconditional support and warmth, accept the individual as he or she is. Teacher needs to be gender free, caste free, religion free, age free. Because the moment I think the person is boy or a girl, I am not giving a fair treatment. When I say it's caste free, I am not giving a fair treatment. I need to be composed, empathetic. I need to be approachable, guidance minded, confidential, mentor nurtured relationships, no inquisitiveness to know the problem or personal details. So in a way, putting all the qualities together, it is to be the best of human is the quality what the teacher requires. Fine. So here I am completing this presentation, and if you have any question, you can. And next class, I'm going to talk about life skills. And lots of activities also we will do on those 2-3 days. Now 2-3 classes. Okay, any question on this?
Whatever homework you given, ma'am, please explain it once again. You have given homework, ma'am. Please explain it once again.
The first homework which I gave you, that whatever the subject you are expected to teach in school, means you may be science students, you may be social science or language. So that is one. You can select secondary 8, 9, 10th, 11th, whichever the class you think, take one subject book, take one lesson out of it, and find out how you can relate that component of teaching with adolescent education. Good? Just make an attempt. Let us see how you are able to do it. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Okay, good. Okay, anything which you have not understood or want to ask anything, please?
Ma'am, wanted to say one thing, ma'am. ये जो एरिक्सन का बाइपोलर वो जो थियरी था, मैम, उसमें मुझे शायद डाउट है कि जो लास्ट के जो स्टेजेस वगैरह है वो शायद मतलब एक्सप्लेनेशन बाकी है उसका.
एरिक्सन थ्योरी?
हाँ मैम, उस वक्त थोड़ा हमारा एक्सप्लेन हुआ था एंड उसके बाद फिर क्लास ओवर हुआ था. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम में
Okay, I'll see to it. But
Yes,
if it
ma'am.
is done, I'll do one more revision. Okay?
ओके, थैंक यू मैम. यस मैम.
Okay. ठीक है. अभी any other questions? Otherwise, it's 12:30. You may have to go for another class. ठीक है. Okay, bye. See you. in the next class. First, as you said, something we incomplete of Erickson. We'll pick that up and then we'll start with the life skills in the next class. Okay? See you.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Leaving the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.